Hi, I'm Lisa with iHeart Pacific Northwest, and in this video I'm going to show how I organize all of my camping gear. For large bulky items, I use this Trailgate 100-liter bin from REI. With its flexible foam panels and fabric sides, I can really stuff a lot more in there than I would expect. I have a lot of my gear for camping in my car in here, including my shower kit, my toiletries bin, my sleeping bag and pillow, an extra blanket, my camp chair, and the shelter that attaches to my car. When this is empty, it folds down flat for storage. And I keep this underneath the bed platform in my car. I use a plastic bin for my kitchen gear to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Inside is a smaller plastic bin to hold utensils and other items, and everything else nests inside for easy access. I keep the bin next to me while cooking so I can access everything easily. For my shower kit, I bring a small day pack to hold the clothes I'll change into, as well as my shower shoes and a packing cube with towels and washcloths. These towels are lightweight and absorbent, and they dry much faster than cotton towels from home, plus they take up less space in my pack. I use a small plastic bin with a handle on top for carrying toiletries to the campground bathroom. I find that this bin is much easier to deal with than a typical travel toiletries bag with multiple zippered compartments. I can set this down anywhere and not worry about it getting wet or dirty, and it's just pretty easy to carry back and forth. Instead of bringing everything that I use at home, I just bring the essentials in small travel size containers, and I keep things inside little zipper pouches to keep everything accessible. I use this 25-liter cube with dividers to store camp lights, repair tools, electronics, and other essentials. The zippered mesh top allows me to see everything inside at a glance, and the side handles make it easy to carry. Check the description below for a link to a separate video where I go over everything I pack in this bin. When I'm camping, I spend a lot of time on photography, so I keep all of my camera gear in a 25-liter fabric cube for easy organization. A small cardboard box inside holds extra lenses, batteries, and cleaning supplies, while my tripods fit neatly along the side of the bin. For clothing, I use a duffel bag with separate zippered areas for shoes. I've been using this bag for years, and the inside liner fabric is degrading, so I'm looking for a new duffel with dividers. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I use this 45-liter tote bag to carry all of my jackets and rain gear, hats, and gloves. This is where I keep everything when I'm camping in my car. The kitchen bin and my dish sink and bucket stay underneath the table next to the cooler. Water container stays on the table. In the back, I keep my duffel bag and my toiletries kit next to the bed platform. Underneath the bed platform is the large bin I had filled with a lot of larger items. In the front seats, I have my essentials bin, a sling bag, a bin for my photography gear. The black bin at the bottom holds things for the car. And in the front seat, I have my day pack for hiking and a tote bag with my coats, and the tripod is sitting in the floor space of the driver's side of the car. And there's my CPAP machine and tubing and mask. And this is where the fan for ventilation goes in my car. I hope this video gives you ideas for organizing your own camping gear. Thanks for watching.